Good morning. Now discuss question number 12. I left the question. Okay, now I'll show the question. So first, let me draw diagram. So this is the diagram. Then also construction would join OA, OB and OC. Okay, now the center is O. The center is O. We know that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. The length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Therefore, CD equal CF equal how much? 6. Then BD equal B equal 8. With AF equal AE equal how much? X. AF equal A equal X. Now area of triangle, suppose AOB. Area of triangle equal to AOB equal half into base in height. This is the height, this is the base. So half into base. What is base? 8 plus X. And what is height? Height equal to 4. So 16 plus twice X. Next, area of triangle BOC. Area of triangle BOC. Half into base 8 plus 6, 14. Height 4. So how much? 28. Then area of triangle AOC. Area of triangle AOC. Half into base 6 plus X. Height 4. 12 plus twice 6. Yes? Therefore, area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC means we have to get the area of AOB, BOC and AOC. What is AOB? 16 plus 56. What is BOC? 28. What is AOC? 12 plus twice X equal 40, 56. 56 plus 4x. 56 plus 4x. Yes. So this is the area of triangle ABC. By adding area of triangle AOB, area of BOC, and area of triangle AOC. Now, after that, again we will find the area of triangle ABC by using the Heron's formula. Then we will compare them. Means area of triangle this ABC, this one, and what is the area we got by finding or using Heron's formula. We will compare them because both represent the area of triangle ABC. Now, semi-perimeter, it is S. In Heron's formula, we use it on semi-perimeter. It is S. S equal to what? Sum of the all sides by 2. Means perimeter by 2. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. Sum of the all sides by 2. The sides are 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus x by 2. This is 16 plus 12, 28 plus twice x by 2 equal 14 plus x. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal S into S minus A. Suppose we consider this one A. Is minus x minus a, minus x minus a. Then s minus b, b means minus 14, and c means minus x minus x. So 14 cancel, here x cancel, here x cancel. 14 plus x, 16 minus 8. 6 is x, this is 8, yes, equal 48 x 14 plus x under root of, yes, 14 plus x s 12, 20 plus 6 by 2, 14 plus x s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now compare these two. Means this is the area of triangle ABC. This is also the area of triangle ABC. Yes, area of triangle ABC. So now we will compare them. We will compare them. Now 56 plus 4x equal under root 48x within bracket 14 plus x. Okay, now out of 56 and 4 common, 14 plus x, and here 48 means what? 16 into 3. 48 means 16 into 3. Now square root of 16 is 4, so 4 comes out. 4 under root twice x into 14 plus x. Both sides 4 cancel. Now we will remove the root over symbol by squaring both sides. To remove the root over symbol, we have to square both sides. This is a plus b whole square. 196 plus x squared plus 28x equal 42x plus 3x square. Then twice x square plus 42x minus x square minus 28x minus 196 equal 0. So twice x square plus 14x minus 196 equal 0. X square plus 7x minus 98 equal 0. Now 98 and it is 12. What are the two numbers? 98, 14, 17, 4. 47, yes. 47, yes, 98. So x square plus 14x minus 7x minus 98. Minus 98 equal to 0. So x plus 14 minus 7 x plus 14 equal to 0. After that, x plus 14 into x minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 14 equal to 0 or x minus 7 equal to 0, which implies x equal to minus 14 or x equal to 7. Now see, side cannot be negative. Side cannot be negative. That's why x equal to minus 14 is not possible. So we have to take x equal to 7. So therefore x equal to how much? X equal to 7. So what is the question? Find the length of AC and AB. Therefore AC equal x plus 6 means 13 centimeter, and then AB equal 7 plus 8 15 centimeter. Yes, so this is the solution. Yes, let's take the answer right or wrong. Yes, correct. Yes, so this is the question answer based on circles. I skipped 4 or 5 questions, 3 or 4 questions, and most of them. So now we'll start area related to circles. Now discuss area related to circles. So here we'll discuss means find the area of a particular portion, a shaded portion. So here we should know what is the area of a circle, what is the circumference of a circle, what is the area of a sector, what is the length of the arc, what is the area of a segment. So these are the things. So first of all, basic thing is what is the area of a circle? Area of a circle equal area of circle equal to all know that is pi r square. Then circumference of circle equal to pi r. This is the basic thing we already got from class 6 or 7 onwards. Now here the new things are what? Area of a sector. Now what is sector? Portion surrounded by two chord and a arc. Here OA and OB are two chord, and this is the length of the arc. So this portion is known as sector. So in a circle there are two sectors. One is minor, this is smaller sector, and the other one is major. Yes. So this is small portion compared to this one. That's why this is minor sector, and this one is major sector. And this is the length of the arc. This is what? This is length of the arc. This is arc. So this is the length of the arc. So now there is a formula to find the area of the sector, length of the sector. So what is the formula? Suppose here angle made by two chord, so two radius in the center is theta. Yes. Then what is the area of the sector? Area of the sector equal theta by 360 pi r square. We know that area of the circle is pi r square, but here we have taken only this portion. So what is the area of the circle? That is pi r square. Why? Because we consider the whole circle. In a circle, total angle is 360 or not? And we consider total angle, total circle, that's also 360. So 360 cancel, only pi r square. But here we have considered only this portion, which makes an angle theta. So theta by 360 pi r square. Then what is the length of the arc? Length of the arc. That is also theta by 360 by 2 pi r into 2 pi r. Why consider 2 pi r? Because this arc is lies on the what? Circumference of the circle or not? And we know that circumference of circle is 2 pi r. That's why theta by 360 2 pi r is the length of the arc, and this is the area of the sector is the minor sector. Then what is the major sector? Suppose this angle is 60. Then what is the value of this angle? 300 or not? So major sector formula 300 by 360 pi r square. This is the area of the major sector, and this is the area of the minor sector. Theta means angle. Yes, we discussed already in trigonometry. Theta means angle. Yes, so this is the first formula. Next, there are another thing, that is segment. What is segment? So what is sector? The region between two radius and arc. Now what is segment? Segment means this one. The area portion between a chord and the arc. The portion between a chord and the arc is known as segment. This is known as minor segment. And this is major segment. And so this is minor segment and that is major segment. Now, how will you find out the area of the minor segment? Simply, in the book, they use trigonometry, yes, to find the area. But here we also use trigonometry, but the shortcut one. See, suppose there is no segment. This is sector or not? This sector. Suppose this one is triangle 1, segment is 2. What is the area? Segment means what? Area of the minor segment. Minor segment. That is 2 or not? Segment is represented by 2. Area of minor segment equals. If I subtract the area of triangle from the sector, that is what? Area of triangle or area of sector. Sector is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is a sector minus area of triangle OAB. That is 1 or not. So 1 plus 2 minus 1. 1 will cancel 2. So the formula is to find the area of the minor segment is area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Area of the sector we all know theta by 360 pi r square. But here in the book they use what? They so find the area of triangle by this way. They draw a height, then use the trigonometry, find this one, and double this one, then to find the area by using half into base into height. That is correct. It is long process. Now here I give the formula by which we can find the area of this triangle easily in 2 steps, 2 or 3 steps. So the formula to find the area of the minor segment is area of the sector minus area of the triangle OAB. Okay, now what is the area of the sector? Suppose this is radius r, this angle is theta, this is also r. So area of the sector equal theta by 360 pi r square. Yes, theta by 360 pi r square. And area of triangle here we use half into r square into sine of theta. Theta by 360 pi r square equal to half into r square into sine of theta. We'll use this one. Now see, there is also another problem, because in the mathematics we got the trigonometry table up to sine 90. But here, if the theta is given 120 or 150, what will happen? Yes. In those cases, it remembers 2 values. What is the value of sine 120 and what is the value of sine 150? Yes. Now, so you remember these 2 values. Sine 120 equal cos 30. Sine 120 equal to cos 30. Why? That is knowledge for you. This is for advanced maths. But in general maths, just you memorize that sine of 120 equal to cos of 30, and then sine of 150 equal cos of 60. And you all know cos 30 equal root 3 by 2. Yes, cos 30 equal root 3 by 2, and then sine 120 equal cos of 30, that is root 3 by 2. And then sine of 150 equal cos of 60, that is half. These are the things. So area of minor segment equal area of the sector minus area of triangle OAB. Area of sector is all known, theta by 360 pi r square. Area of triangle equal to half into radius square into sine theta. So if the theta is given 120, then sine 120 equal to cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Then sine 150 equal to cos 60 equal to half of half. Sorry, not half of half. Yes. So this is the